Have I got something to share for you guys, with you guys? What I've got here is I've got a product that was sent to me by a company called SUSTEAS. And what we have here is this really high-end, really affordable vegetable grater. So it'll do vegetables of all types and cheeses, okay? I took a minute here just to kind of get things set up with it, but what happens is you've got this handle, comes apart for cleaning, and there's your part of your cutting assembly right here, okay, part of it. So to assemble this, you just put this in the housing all the way, put the handle on, and then you screw this end in, and then it's ready to go. Now, one of the things I'd like to mention, which is really nice about this, is if you're going to put this on your granite countertop, it's got a vacuum assembly. You just bang, it'll vacuum suck itself right down to the counter, and then that button will release it, all right? So once this is in here, and this is an important note for you, there's a pusher, a product pusher, okay? And you can see that this has a curve in it, all right? So obviously logic tells you that to put it in this way. Well, some people put it in this way, okay? Not that you can. I guess this model doesn't let you put it in this way, but some people actually jam that in there this way, and then when they're grating, they're actually wearing the plastic off. So don't do that. It only goes in one way, and that's the way you want to put it. Now, one of the things I was really blown away by with this product is the assortment of blades that they give you. Okay, and I'm going to share them with you. All right, there's a bunch of different blades here. So they're going to go inside there as a set. You're going to install them for depending on the type of cut that you want. So it says attention sharp blade. That should be obvious. I'm not sure what these do, but I want to show you the blades that it comes with. So that's 2 blades. This looks like it's some kind of a shoestring or like a cheese grater blade, vegetable grater or cheese grater blade. I'm going to say what that is. And this last blade looks like some sort of Julienne blade. Okay, so there's a set of blades in here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of blades total. Okay, comes with its own holder, easy to deal with. Can put it off to one side. Very easy to assemble. I want to show you some of the things it can do. And by the way, this is available in a ton of different colors. They have all kinds of colors with this, right? But very simple. It's plastic. It's easy to take apart. It's easier to wash. The whole thing comes apart to clean. And that's one of the great things about it, all right? And again, you just unscrew the handle, pop the handle off, pop this out, and you go into town, right? You're going to town with it. Now, I'll have to figure out how to put the new blades in here. I haven't got that far in the book yet, but this is more an unboxing instead of a use video. I will be putting together a use video on this product, but I just wanted to highlight some of the things that initially I've seen with this. That's really, really cool. And look how easy that goes together, all right? And then you just crank away, put in your cheeses, right? Put in your cheeses, put in your veggies, go to town with it. And then they're all going to come out this little cup down here into a bowl, and then you can go off and use them. So let's take a look at the manual. I'm just going to hold it open. A lot of people like to look at manuals. You can pause the video and take a look at the parts in here. What's already installed in here is a shredding blade. It also comes with that's a small shredding blade. It also comes with a large shredding blade. It comes with a slicing blade. It comes with a Julienne blade, and it comes with a wavy slicing blade, handle, transparent barrel, food pusher, a blade rack. It all comes apart. You see it? How to change blades. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. How to put it together. Pretty simple. These are some of the nice things it does, and there's some of the colors it comes in. We have the red, of course. This is what you can make with it. I'm going to let you take a look at it with the video. Cheeses, vegetables, all kinds of things. It's pretty cool. Again, was sent to me by SUSTEAS. Really nice product. Seems very strong. And they make all kinds of these products. Even a kettle, cups, glass pitcher with lid. That'd be great for making some sun tea in, or some cucumber water, whatever you like. Orange juice water. Oh, and it comes with a panini press and an espresso coffee machine. That espresso coffee machine actually looks pretty cool. All right, so I'm going to hold this up here in case you want to scan that and take a look at it. But that's it. That's the SUSTEAS, like a food processor grater. All right, it's called a vegetable grater, but you can also do cheese in it as well. Thanks for watching. Rush out and buy one today. Take care.